Guys, today we're going to be talking about thermal processes for gases. So let's review the ideal gas law that we talked about in our fluids section. Ideal gas law explains how ideal gases behave, and this equation is PV equals nRT, where P is the pressure of the gas, V is the volume of the gas, N is the number of moles of gas, and R is the gas constant, and T is the temperature of the gas. And take note of the specific units that this equation uses. For pressure, we want pascals. Volume, we want cubic meters. N doesn't have a unit. R is the gas constant, which is 8.31 joules per Kelvin times moles. And T is in kelvins. So when gas